G is very good. The one thing you'll always have a problem with Triple G with is his jab. His jab is monumental and paramount. He doesn't use it just to offset action. He uses it to control action. And I really appreciate that. And from a trainer who...
Su jab nomás lo usaba como para marcar, para quererme tirar sus golpes fuertes. Entonces yo lo alcanzaba a ver.
Canelo's jab fast. ¿Te sorprendió la velocidad del jab del Canelo?
Not strong fast, not strong, more just touch.
Disrupted your rhythm.
Si te vas a quedar en el corto del ring, en medio del ring ahí, bien cubiertito, bloqueando y contragolpeando y moviendo la cintura y lo pasas, pero no te olvides de tirar tu jab, hijo. Tu jab, inclinadito para que no te metas a la derecha por acá. Inclinadita a su izquierda. 10 minutos nomás de pelea quedan.
Gee, when he's moving into the right hand, you gotta throw it this way. Don't throw it straight on me. Throw it like a hook, a long hook, okay? Because he's moving into it, all right? There you go. Good round.
For sure. That's what, oh, dude. Ooh, this is distracting. Ha, gotcha. Oh, he stunned him.
He got hurt. This is a huge start to the 10th round for Canelo Alvarez.
He just got tagged. He might get. Oh!
Oh my God.
He comes back with a big right hand.
Está llevando el centro del ring. Por supuesto, bien, tambaleó. Se va. Pero ahora Golovkin conecta bien.
Oh, he stunned him.
He stunned him.
This is a huge start to the 10th round for Canelo Alvarez.
ここでポイント同点に追いつきます。そしてロシアのガイダルベコフがリードしました。倒してしまいました。
完全にホールドになってますからね、オリンピックの決勝じゃないみたいになりましたね。
на которой они печатают. Вот здесь не оставайся. Немножко, вот знаете, в чем дело? Немножко остался.
You heard in the corner. Telling on.
Спор еще там, все споры.
En mand, som vi også som professionelle.
あそこは重要。
第一ラウンドです。
Stop! Let him up! Look out, stop! Step back! Work out, fellas. Work out! No! Let him up! Okay, keep it clean. Touch up! All right, here we go. Stop! Step back clean. No, let up. Oh, no, in front. Here we go, guys. Work out, fellas. Work out. Stop! Work out, fellas. Work. No. Keep him in front. Go home. Oh, stop. Step back. Watch your heads. Stop. Step back clean. Step back. Watch your heads, guys. Stop. No. Watch out.
Ocupo muchos jabs. Cuando veas que él vaya para atrás, atácamelo con 3 golpes. Él no sabe de caminar para atrás, no se sabe defender hacia atrás. Okay.
Se quita, o se hace un pasito para atrás o le hace así, entonces ya es difícil alcanzarlo. Hace un pasito para atrás.
¿Subiste presionado? ¿Te presionaste, Gennady, en la pelea? Yo te vi presionado.
It's not perfect fight for me.
They still perform well, but the pressure's not as much. There's no anticipation. There's no big crowds. So then they go out there and just work.
They are ready. Blue with gold, wearing khaki green and officially weighing in at 160 pounds.
feel any different walking in the ring that night? Just a little bit. I'm very excited. First of all, I feel my body is tough. Right now I have experience, and second fight I believe is more fashion for us.
A little bit different. A little bit different. But what do you think it was? This is my secret.
The one thing you notice in that fight, though, GG usually cuts the ring off very well. He was not cutting the ring off. Canelo was able to circle the entire ring consistently. Why is that? Because GG was respecting Canelo's left hook.
Velocidad, mueve, haz defensa, páralo con tu izquierda y no abuses de quedarte en las cuerdas.
Si me tira una izquierda, de volado me la quito y le tiro los ganchos.
Boxing Organization President Ed Levy, the World Boxing Association President.
Le pegaste un gancho ahorita que lo sintió, hay que estar pegando mucho abajo, hijo.
That body shot that you were talking about, right when that landed, he looked at his eyes, he went, oh shit.
You might be right.
He should have got lighter, not bigger, because he's going to be faster, got quicker. Do what Sugar Ray did to Hagler.
When you hear 30 from Max, you gotta put it on.
And you're using your hips, which are the punches you're gonna use during the fight. You don't want to have big muscles because it slows you down and it tires you out later on in the fight.
Work out, work out, work out. Work out, work out, fellas, work out. In front, in front. There you go. All right, there you go.
To get away from the right hand, he was exposing his back, and if Gigi had hit him there, he was worried about getting a point taken.
In front, in front. There you go. All right, there you go.
He did hit him with a body shot during the 4th or 5th round, and Kenny Bayless had warmed him because he hit him in the back. And the reason he hit him in the back is Canelo's turning his body to avoid some of the shots. It was the kind of fight that you don't want to get in a position where you're going to get a point taken.
Work out, work out, work out. Work out, work out, fellas, work out.
Beautiful referee.
Thank you.
Oh,
Beautiful. Thank you, Oscar.
He hit sort of a wall. He got tired. His mouth was open after the 7th round.
Interesting that Canelo is training in Colorado Springs this time, so maybe he figures he needs some edge, given elevation, given how the fight went the last time.
¿Dónde vas a entrenar, Canelo, por cierto?
Pensaba ir a Colorado, es lo que estamos viendo, está muy frío todavía. Y creo que para el entrenamiento no me conviene mucho, pero vamos a ver cómo se ponen estos días y decidir bien a dónde nos vamos. Pero vamos a ver.
He was talking about going up to Colorado. I know
no, he'll be training in San Diego.
So he'll keep it in San Diego.
Quiere querer, ¿no? Pero sí hay que ver. No, se ven las pantorrillas machín. Todo el día va a andar así.
Get out of his way. He doesn't really want to be up against the ropes like this. He has to fight like this. Yeah, it's ring generalship. He's completely controlling where the fight takes place.
¿Qué rounds cediste?
Creo que cedí el 5º, 6º.
La mitad de la pelea.
Y 7º. Esos fueron los rounds que los perdí.
O sea que ganaste, para ti ganaste 9 rounds.
El 8 también creo que lo perdí. El 9 estuvo de uno para otro.
Hay que tener el round más constante, hijo. Más constante en tu ofensiva.
I had Golovkin 115, 113, and I scored the 7th round in favor of Gennady Golovkin.
I think most people.
And yet Don Trella, who really hasn't come under a lot of criticism for his score, he had a 114, 114, but he gave the 7th round to Canelo.
Son los de toda la vida estos, mijo. Son trezazos perfectos, mijo.
Have you ever had a dream that you want him to do you so much you could do anything?
I would have wished, fighting Trinidad again the 2nd time around. I would have felt that I could have knocked him out in those last 3 rounds instead of boxing him and running. But that's why this fight is so special.
Gennady, what round is Canelo going down?
Ask him. Not with me.